Okay, hi, this is Roberto and I'm going to teach you physics. Okay, after this first introductory lecture, you can see the video if you like. I'm going to start with, I could start anywhere yeah, I'll show you around. This is a blackboard and this is a, yes, it's completely empty, yeah, nobody's here. That's what empty means. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this blackboard. Maybe I could get it. Somebody's calling me. Wait, hold on. It's real life. Julio, dime. Ah, vale, pues dentro de media hora, ¿te parece bien? Vale, en media hora me paso. Chao. Real life. One of the worst, when you're a professor, is that the mobile phone rings in class. Yeah, and that's what we just saw. The colleague, I'm going to have coffee with him. So I have like 20 to 30 minutes, I don't know. Yeah, I put 25 minutes, so I have 5 minutes to go there. You know, one thing that physicists, at least I do as a physicist, is to use these timers to control my life, because otherwise I would get lost. So, we can start anywhere in physics. I don't know if you can see me. Yeah, apparently. Because I see the time running. We can start anywhere in physics because it's so vast. But I'll start with the more difficult. The more difficult thing in physics is what keeps everybody out. Is equations. I'll write the most famous equation in physics. That will be the first thing I write because of its relevance. E equal mc squared. This is the most famous. Let me check. I don't know. Yeah. I don't know if it appears in the blackboard. I don't care. If not, I will repeat the lesson. This is an equation. And equations, the more relevant thing about equations, one of the most, is that they have an equal sign. Okay? This was introduced, I don't know, in some place, I don't know, in the 15th century or even, yeah, something like that, 16th century. But it hasn't existed, but the idea has existed forever, the idea of an equation. The equation comes from, if I remember well, from a Latin verb, equere, correct me if I'm wrong, which means to do things, it means that two things are equal, so you have two things that are equal, but equere has also a meaning. For instance, two persons walking at the same time, if suddenly one walks faster, the other has to walk faster too, okay? I'm not sure if my head appears. Let me get some, field of view. Okay. So, you have two people. So, it also applies to love. Suppose that this person loves the other one, okay? That is good. But suppose this person stops loving the other one. It happens, happens, especially in marriages. What do the other persons do? So, if you apply the equerent, it means that if somebody doesn't love you, you have to stop loving, because it's something equal. So it doesn't only mean that two things are equal. It also means that when something changes, the other has to change too. That's very important about equations. So, two things. What I just said, that is a dynamic, so if something equal is equal, okay? What is a dynamic meaning? It means that meaning means anyway. It means that that it is adapted to change. Okay. To change, and of course, yeah, this is the meaning. But the relevant thing about equations is that they tell stories. Okay. Tell equations. Tell stories. This equation is very important. It's one of the basic ones I saw it. I remember during my degree, I saw it during 2 or 3 days, more at the most. You know, and it's more famous. So, but not during my degree. But anyway, it means the equivalence between mass and energy. This is crucial. You know, from a point of view, this equation means the equivalence and equation has the same meaning. Equal is something that is the same, but equivalent, it means the similar. Is that equal in value, if you like, but not the same. So I'm hungry. I would like to have a croissant filled with chocolate. Okay? Oh, sorry, I don't have any more croissants. Okay. There's no more croissants, so it can be equal to what you expect. You say, give me something equivalent. Okay, I give you like I don't know, I don't remember the word, brioche full of chocolate. Come on, okay, this is getting me hungry. This is equivalent, okay? So this equation, okay, so we play with words. This equation explains the equivalence between mass, M is mass, and E is energy. Equivalence, mass, energy. Mass with 2 S's and energy. That's very important, you know, because what it was how scientists realized, Einstein realized that to have matter, lots of energies was spent to make matter. For instance, gold was created during a supernova. Lots of energies was necessary to make gold, you know, from the basic elements to compact them and to get something very dense, which is gold, and very expensive. So, and rare, because there's a little gold on Earth compared to iron or to other things, or silicium, silica, yeah. So, equivalence. It says that we need energy, or is required energy to create mass, but it also meant the atomic bomb, because Einstein and other scientists realized that this energy inside matter, was accessible, okay, in some elements easier than others. So breaking the atom would release a lot of energy, because this term here